Dogs are an important part of many American families. We love them and think of them as more than just pets. That's what makes dog bite cases so serious and emotionally charged. Victims need to be ready for anything and everything. When thinking of dog bites, visions of pit bulls and Rottweilers come to mind. But those breeds are hardly the only culprits in damaging bite cases. Any kind of dog can attack, especially when the owner is not paying attention. If you or someone you know has been bitten, let us help you and prepare you for what lies ahead. When a dog bites, excuses are certain to follow. Let's look at some common scenarios you may encounter. First, understand that owners may attempt to push blame wherever possible. They will blame you, a faulty leash, a loud noise, or anything else. They will swear up and down that the dog is nice and has never bitten anyone before. If you do not accept any of these excuses, the owner may then attempt guilt trips, lying, or intimidation. Threats or negotiations often include bragging of legal system knowledge and connections, upplaying culpability of the victim themselves in the actions of the animal, conveying stories of the animal's importance to the family or past in a rescue shelter, attempting to levy emotional guilt, assuring victims that medical bills will be paid promptly and out of court. Victims who choose to believe excuses or fall for intimidation tactics are often left holding the bag when it comes to medical bills, lost work time, as well as pain and suffering. Most people love animals, even those that are dangerous. Nevertheless, affection for an animal should never cloud a victim's judgment of their rights. You can greatly enhance your chance of legal success by preparing your case properly and immediately after a bite. This means collecting the right information and behaving in a manner which will benefit you in court. The following are a few basic tips to help get you started. 1. Collect as much information as possible. Gather the names of the dog, the owner, the location of incident, location of bite, and circumstances leading up to the attack. 2. Secure insurance information as quickly as possible. Even the basics of insurance carrier and policy number will help. Often the owners of animals that bite will tell you they have no insurance. Fortunately, this usually is not true, and a good dog bite lawyer will know how to obtain the appropriate insurance information. 3. Take photos. If possible, photograph the scene, the dog, and the owners. Be sure to photograph the injury before extended healing has taken place. There's no such thing as too many photos, and if using an outside photographer, remind them not to alter or hide the severity of the injury. 4. Determine possible illnesses of the animal. Rabies is clearly the first concern, but any other illnesses should be noted. Be sure to ask your local police or health department to assist you in ascertaining whether the animal has had appropriate rabies shots. If proper shots have not been administered to the animal, it is imperative that you immediately advise your healthcare provider. 5. Receive medical attention. Your bite wound is not worth pursuing legally if it does not warrant medical attention. 6. Secure competent legal counsel. Dog bites may not seem like a sophisticated legal problem, but getting an ill-prepared or unaggressive attorney can leave you worse off than when you started. Health and financial loss are likely to be your biggest concerns in a stressful time like this. Securing proper legal counsel may seem stressful and confusing, heaping on top of a growing list of worries. Our sole job at the Hayes firm is simple and straightforward. We listen to the details of your case and match you with the best possible attorney in your area. For decades, we have filtered lawyers all over the country in an effort to create a reliable resource for injured individuals. We do not sell cases to the highest bidder, nor do we pander to large firms. We assess the skills, winning records, and ethics of each particular practice and connect them with victims accordingly. The end result is a highly valuable yet free service, connecting you to an attorney who knows your state laws inside and out and is an expert in dog bite cases. Reach out today at 1-800-603-6833 or visit us online at dreamlegalteam.com. That's 1-800-603-6833 or dreamlegalteam.com. We can help you find your ideal attorney today.